Webowt Smart Tray Management System. The components of Smart Tray Management System. Fast assembling at application sites. Webowt Smart Tray installation completed. Smart Tray Management System. Each material is weighed and counted by weighing method. And each material bulk can directly display material number, total weight, unit weight and quantity, statistics function, replenishment statistics and picking material consumption statistic. Smart Tray Management System in operation. Lights all in green. Any independent control task needed, the scale body will light up. Separately where the independent control task is located, the shelf system can operate for tasks simultaneously. Distinguished by the indicators on the left in for colors. Lights off simultaneously upon task over. The system supports Ethernet management, software or MES interface. MES supports reading all shelf information.